Skittles experiments. So we have Skittles, water, and plate. So let's get started. So let's do it. Do you know I like experiments? Because I love experiments to make because to make rainbow and make do you know I can make the storm like that, and I can do it like that. So let's get started. Are you sorry? I just make the two colors already. So last one. Okay. So we already done it like a circle, but it's like a jelly. We already have more from it. So I'm going to eat just two of them. So let's put water first here. See what happens. Oh my gosh. Why the cold one is working? See guys, it looks like a beautiful rainbow, guys. We got every colors. It's almost done. See guys, wow, it looks beautiful. It's almost done. I have literal circles on them. It looks like a tornado, like that, and we can just run. So, do you know these guys? This one is not a good one, but this is a good one. Wow. Oh, it looks like a circle, and then it looks like a rainbow. Oh my gosh, look at this. You got two orange, I forgot. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, you want to make a tornado like me? Tornadoes like we can blow like that. You want to see it? Okay. So, you want to see the tornado? Like the thunderstorm, and then the tornado go down. You want to see that? And this rainbow one? But you can't see it right now. It will explode like a beautiful rainbow. You know guys how many colors are the rainbow? Do you know? 7 colors, that's right. If you like this experiment, you can try. So, if you like this video, click and subscribe and watch this video. Bye. Stay home, stay safe, and keep watching this video. Bye. I love you too. I love you. Mwah.